I planted the nectarine and peach trees in the late summer. I planted killed 3 cherry, 2 plum, and 1 peach trees, which were planted in spring. I don't know why I can't just keep them alive. They'll just be okay till summer, or they die in the middle of summer. What I noticed, that the trunk or the stem of those trees that died have bruises or cuts on them, because we have what you call active spring here in Oklahoma. Too windy. I think that's the thing that's killing those trees. Whereas in the late summer of fall or winter, it's not that bad with regards to the wind. So I'm going to plant this plum bayroot tree in a container, then transplant them in the late summer. When it's going to be so windy, I can take the plant inside the house. The variety is Morris plum. I can see nice roots here. The white ones, those are the feeder roots. They're the one that's going to absorb the nutrients. My soil is equal parts of potting mix and peat moss, and 2 handfuls of perlite. An handful of that fertilizer that I have just shown, and heaping tablespoon of bone meal. I have soaked the roots for an hour. This is the bud union. So the soil should be 2 to 3 inches below the bud union. I'm trying to make sure that the soil is between those roots. Firm down the soil so that there are no air pockets. I can see tiny roots. That one and this one. So another one here at the back. Better cover them with soil. I'm going to remove the dead branch. I don't know how to use this thing. I'm supposed to have 3 or 4 branches, but I have 5 here. I want to retain all of them. This is the center area of the tree, and I'm going to prune the branches because they're quite tall. I want the tree to be a bit short, so I'm going to cut where the bud is growing outside, not going inside the tree. This one outside, so I'm going to cut above that here. This bud is growing outside, away from the center of the tree, like this one also. I'm gonna trim it here. I'm going to water this later and put it under a tree where this plant can get the morning sun only and shaded in the afternoon, because this tree is quite stressed. Maybe for a day or 2 only, and then I'll place it where it's going to get at least 6 hours of sunlight per day. Kindly subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Enjoy life!